more of an evening person. Health reasons na pinipreach ko rin sa lahat ng mga kaibigan at kasama at pamilya. I try to be asleep from 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. at least. Morning begins by upon waking, usually taking a cup of coffee, preparing na to go to work. So, ganun ka-simple. Pero keeps me happy to keep it simple that way. Kung before 7 a.m., parang hindi pagising yung tiyan ko. Kape lang muna, pampagising talaga ng diwa. And then I'll diet pero everything in moderation. In terms of exercise, dati meron akong college barkada. We try practicing yoga in the morning. Stain kasi lalo na nung nagsimula na ulit yung session namin sa Senate, mas naging practicable to practice yoga in the dati sunrise, so ngayon sunset. So, yun yung exercise ko sito, yoga. Practice yoga every day. Hindi rin nagagawa both when you practice yoga. Kahit yung pinaka-gentle na yoga, kasama yung stretching at lahat, pagpapawisan ka rin Vigorous styles of yoga, yun talagang nagpapawis talaga sila, halos parang cardio or halos aerobics yun. It's good for both mind. Kaya importante, lalo na when we're working, regular breaks every several minutes or hours, tumayo, lumak. Pero yung isang kagandahan sa yoga sito, I don't need a lot of space. Just need enough space para ilat yoga mat. Single piece of equipment. The only equipment na putol yun. Kanina, something you said reminded me that hindi ito recent phenomenon, yung pagpapractice ng yoga, kahit natin mga Pilipino. But during the pandemic, for one, I was given the opportunity to return to the practice. Kasi yung unang kailangan kong mag-quarantine positive person, that became the opportunity for me. Ask Joanne, can I study with you again? Kahit online, mga YouTube videos ng yoga. At may ginagamit akong app, yung Down Dog Yoga, kahit lang sa cellphone ko, para kung wala akong ma-attend na yoga class, I study with a new teacher now. I practice si Joji Balsita. She's based in Baguio. And we have a class, online class. Marami kami from different parts of the Philippines, mostly women. Nagpa-practice kami sama-sama. May class kami, weekend morning. Iba talaga sito I mean, in a way, I'm grateful na we have the online platforms para hindi tuluyang napuputol 100% yung connection ng mga tao sa isa't isa. There's really something to be said. There's something irreplaceable about face-to-face yoga practice, face-to-face interviews, discussions tulad nito, even face-to-face learning. So, we're just trying to make the best of the situation, trying to maximize, optimize yung benefits na binibigay sa atin ng information and communication technology. Aware din tayo sa mga panganib, limitasyon, and minsan panganib din of the abuse or the misuse of the internet for malign. Tama ka doon, Sito, and mabuti na lang our teacher, si Teacher Georgie, is also very sensitive about that. At kaming mga students niya, we're free to turn off our video if we feel safer that way, to expose doing class online with each other. And ang maganda, the fact that we've been practicing together as a class, as teacher and classmates for more than 2 years na, 2 kalahating taon na. So actually formed the community. We're friends. Some of us know each other personally from before. Nagkakilala lang online dito sa yoga class. So kumbaga may trust na rin na build. And before and after the class, nag-uusap kami ng tungkol sa kung ano-ano, ganitong mga kwentuhang buhay, our own concerns about various issues, including online privacy issues. So at least we were able to set the pace and the terms of our doing a yoga class, a very physical exercise online together. Yung mga kaklase ko are also very considerate. Parang kindred spirits kami with our teacher. And very rarely, actually, kung tanungin mo ako ngayon, Sito, issues, if any, have you a few of us are activists like me, pero nakatuwa na talagang honor that space. Now, we're all here, we're all there to practice yoga, to recollect ourselves, to have peace of mind. So, talaga, very considerate sa isa't isa at walang panghihimasok. Unless ako mismo magbukas or unless may magbanggit, and nobody forces any issue. They wait for the person to say, okay, let's talk about that. Not everything naman, Sito. I've talked about Frank, my late husband, online. But especially when the kids pa, mali tungkol sa kanila, tungkol sa pamilya namin ng mga anak ko. Kasi dumaan din kami they were targeted by trolls. And nothing angers atakihin yung mga anak natin because of our own in the public space. Sinasabi ko mula noon na nobody breathe with evil intentions in the direction of my kid. Nitong huli na lang mga taon na sila mismo, they've become young adults. They're also netizens, active din sila online on their own terms. Doon na lang na medyo nare-relax yung ganong strict boundaries that I set. Pero always on there, hindi ako lang. And if ever may ipopost ako na mahahagingan sila, whether photo-wise,
Alam ni Jokno, Guto at Hilbay na para sa kinabukasan ng pamilya ang boto mo. Sila'y nakikinig, sila ang kikilos. Ipaglaban ang ating bukas. Boto mo ang lunas. Iboto 8 diretso.
Ikaw, para kanino ang boto mo?